So in this setup, what I have done, I have parallelly connected this thermocouple with amplifier as well as the multimeter to show the output. So now you can see the full setup, as you have seen the partial one earlier, where multimeter was connected to, this is the wire of thermocouple, the, yeah, this is thermocouple wire, okay, which you can see connected here. Thermocouple is here, it is connected through this multimeter, okay, which is showing you 1.4 millivolt, and the same connection is going to the operational amplifier here. This operational amplifier is now operating at 15 volt, and the same the amplification factor is 1000, okay. So it is now connected to 15 volt and amplification factor is 1000. And you can see this power supply, I have disconnected the in connection which we used to demonstrate the output. So now you can see only these are the connections through which the operational amplifier is running. There is no in supply here. Earlier we had in supply to see the 1000 times amplification. Now here you can see parallelly both things, where the thermocouple is connected. At the same time uh, the multimeter is also connected with thermocouple, showing the same reading. So here you can see multimeter, there are two multimeters, the probes you can see here. So this particular multimeter is connected to the operational amplifier. The multimeter which is at the right side is operational amplifier, and you can see a negative voltage there, which is 1000 time amplifying. And to the right side, to the left side, yeah, to the left side, you can see another multimeter which is showing you the bare output of the thermocouple. So now you can see few readings. Temperature reading also you can see here. So you can see the temperature is 57.2, and corresponding to this the voltage value is 1.4 millivolt. And here you can see the amplified one, 1000 times approximately 1.84, and so on. This temperature sensor is very slow, the response time is very high. That is why you saw the changes earlier. It was taking very slow change, so it's quite slow. Still at 1.4. Now I'm adding extra cooled water into this one. Now you can see temperature has come down, and here you can see the output is decreasing. Temperature is 51.5 degrees centigrade. I will add extra water into this one. You can see the transition state where the readings are changing abruptly. And since the temperature was not going down with a good speed, I have again switched on the what you call the heater, so that we can take, you can see the heater is heating the system, and now the temperature will slightly increase, and then you can note down the reading with increasing temperature. You can note down the readings of both multimeters, amplified and non-amplified. So you can see that the amplified value is quite uh, quickly changing compared to the non-amplified value, and that can be noted down. Temperature is slightly increasing. Meanwhile our op amp is working fine. It is continuously operated at 15 volts. So this is keep on working. This is getting heated up.